Hi guys, I'm gonna show you quickly how to cluster this simulation. So what you basically need first is a good running simulation. So I created this one, really simple. As you can see, it's slowing down my computer significantly. So first thing you should do is turn off the resize container. I will show you why in a second. So what I've done is oh, it's hanging. Sorry, it was hanging for a bit. So what I did first was set up the distribution for random farms or multiple computers. As you can see, I can slice my simulation here, and if I go back to the Auto.NET network, press play to simulate, you can see. Wait, let me turn on this. As soon as my source enters this side of the volume, it's simulating that this side. So if I rewind and press play again, you can see it's doing this. So the downside to the resize container is when I turn this on, the container gets here and my source will never enter this volume correctly. So you should turn it off when you slice your simulation. If you want to check this side, for example, you can select this part and add 3 to this, or 4. Oh, 2. It was 2. So if you press play, now you should wait till the source enters this side again. It's gonna take a while. So that's basically how this should work. And I will show you something else. You can also change this to 4x4. Then you need 16 computers, actually 16 clients. So or your computer does this simulation 16 times. If you press render, it will do that 16 times. So I will show you how to set this up. Actually, this sliced clustered Pyro simulation. So let's take this torus, for example, and animate it using a sine expression. I'm not gonna explain how this works. Should be pretty straightforward. Now you have this, and I'm gonna rotate it also along the X. Another sine, or perhaps I'm gonna. Oh, I want to rotate it around. It should. Oh yeah, of course. So if you change the order of operations, so first translate and then rotate, perhaps. Alright, I should do $F, my mistake, and then times 25, for example. Yeah, I know it's kind of weird, but I want to do something weird. So I'm gonna use the shelf tools because I'm lazy. So this time I'm gonna use the flames. So first I increase the padding bounds for my resize for testing. First you should do the testing part. Press play, or perhaps change the background to black, and then press play. It's quite low simulation, low resolution, so Let's try this. I'm just doing something weird. You can do whatever you want. So perhaps maybe also something when you create sources. By default it doesn't create an inner volume for this. So now it's a volume. Add some more noise. Or actually I'm gonna leave it like that. Press play. I'm gonna let it run for a few seconds. So now I have this. And now I want to distribute it. So before I do that, I'm gonna turn this down a notch. And I'm gonna disable the container. Let me pin my viewport first. Go to the top view and disable simulations. As you can see, it's getting outside of the bounding box. So first I'm gonna increase it. So put this on 0 and let's make it 15 by 15 to be safe, and then enable simulations. If I'm correct, it should stay within the animation, and I think it could be a bit lower, and perhaps something like this. So we can delete this, and now to slice this up, I'm gonna do container and then distribute. Select the box, press enter. Now you get this. Now you can say I want to slice it 4 times. You can add them together, or rather multiply them. And let's test it out. Unpin this. It's gonna take a few seconds. As you can see, it works like you expect. So yeah, that's basically it.